In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zoom on Windows 10. To get started, turn on your laptop and open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, search for Zoom Download Center. This is the easiest way to find the official Zoom download page and avoid downloading the app from an unofficial source. When the search results appear, open the official Zoom Download Center. On that page, look for Zoom Workplace for Windows, since this tutorial is specifically for a Windows laptop or desktop. Once you find it, click the download button. After that, the Zoom installer will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds. Next, open your downloads folder so you can locate the installer file. Look for the Zoom installer, then double-click it to begin the installation. If Windows asks for permission to allow the app to make changes, go ahead and approve it so the installation can continue. After that, just wait while Zoom installs automatically. You usually won't need to do much here, since the process is designed to be quick and simple. Once the installation is complete, the Zoom Workplace app should open automatically. You may also notice a Zoom icon on your desktop. That desktop shortcut makes it easy to launch Zoom anytime in the future, so if you ever need to open it again, just double-click the icon. At this point, you're ready to access Zoom. If you already have a Zoom account, click Sign In and enter your account details. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. And if you simply want to join someone else's meeting without signing in, choose Join a Meeting instead. Then enter the meeting ID and passcode if one is required. Once you're inside Zoom, you'll be able to start or join video meetings, share your screen, present a PowerPoint, share videos, and use your microphone and camera. In other words, you'll have everything you need to participate in online classes, work meetings, or virtual catch-ups. One final tip: keep Zoom updated so you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. You can usually check for updates from the Zoom profile menu by selecting Check for Updates. And that's it. Zoom is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 10 computer.